Some rat in here, so. So I set a rat trap. See, the amount of at least 254 and not 3 grand. There we go. Check back in 2 more hours. Or minute or thing like that. Or people guys catch one now. See the yellow. Down in the yellow. Lucky. Alright, look what we got.